Hello guys, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to sort your files by the sizes in Google Drive. So after usage of the Google Drive for some time, the storage are going to fill up, so you need to understand which files are taking place the most. So on the left tab, go to storage, and here in this list you will see the files are sorted by the sizes from bigger to smaller. You can also press to here for sorting with the sizes starting from smaller to larger. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.